Welcome back to the Traditional Marketing module. In this lesson, we're talking about partnerships. And no, I'm not referring to partnering with someone to start a business. What I mean is to partner with other businesses. Partnering increases both of your visibilities as you're getting in front of your partner's audience and vice versa. Effective partnerships include joint promotions such as events, product-service pairings, and cross-promotions. Let's review some examples. Years ago, I hosted portrait parties at my studio where participants could have branding photos taken and network with the other participants. I partnered with a salon to provide hair and makeup, a healthy caterer for snacks, a massage therapist for chair massages, and the yoga studio next door to provide a Zen meditation space. We also used the yoga studio for photo sessions. Each participant displayed the flyers at their places of business and promoted the event in their e-newsletters and social media. Therefore, the event reached a much wider audience than mine alone. Moving on to product and service pairings, people love packages. Where I live in northern New Hampshire, several inns and hotels partner with the local Christmas tree farm to provide a stay, plus a cut tree and another experience such as skiing. Yes, packages do provide a discount, but the visibility and enticement of them are so worth it. Let's talk about a few other examples of product and service pairings. If you own a tea shop, consider partnering with your local apiary. If you're a massage therapist, partner with a yoga studio for the ultimate relaxation package. Get crafty, people will love it. Partnerships extend beyond other businesses though. If you're a member of your local chamber of commerce or trade organization, reach out about your benefits. They most likely offer marketing of your events and promotions to their audience. And of course, share posts from other businesses to your social media accounts. It builds community and they may return the favor. Partnerships are also a great way to build community and to have a group of supportive people. That concludes traditional marketing. Buckle up because we're shifting to online marketing in Module 7. I'll see you there.